What if large cap investing wasn't just about owning the biggest companies but about owning them at the right price? And what if patience, valuation discipline, and downside protection mattered more than chasing momentum? That's the philosophy behind the Parag Parikh large cap fund. But does a conservative, value oriented approach always work in today's fast moving markets, or does it sometimes test investor patience during bull runs? And let us break it down neutrally and clearly in this video. So, hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So, now before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what is a large cap fund. So, these are companies that are ranked from 1 to 100 based on market capitalization. So, the market cap for these companies is generally above 50,000 rupee crores. So, they are stable and trusted companies with a proven track record. So, now as we have a basic idea about what is a large cap fund, let us move on to understanding some basic idea about this fund. So, as an NFO, it opens on 19th Jan 2026 and closes on 30th Jan 2026. So, some of the key features of the fund are: this is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity large cap, and it has Nifty 100 TRI as its benchmark index, and there is no entry and exit load as well. So the minimum investment amount required to invest in this fund is 1000 rupees. So the fund managers for this fund are Mr. Rajiv Thakkar and Mr. Raj Mehta, Mr. Rukun Tarachandani and Ms. Aishwarya Dhar, Mr. Teja Soman and Mr. Ronak Onkar. And according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. So the investment objective, the primary investment objective of the fund is that it seeks to generate long-term capital appreciation and income distribution to investors by predominantly investing in equity and equity-related instruments of large cap companies. So now, as we have a basic idea about the fund, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are first going to take a look at the pros of investing in this fund. So number one, the fund invests primarily in established financially strong businesses with proven track records. So the emphasis on quality can help reduce business level risk over the long term. And number two, rather than chasing expensive stocks, the fund follows a disciplined, value oriented strategy. This can help protect capital during market corrections. And number three, large cap stocks tend to be more stable than smaller companies. So this can make the fund more suitable for investors who prefer a smoother return journey. And number four, the fund avoids frequent buying and selling. So a patient approach can help reduce unnecessary portfolio turnover and behavioral mistakes. So these are some of the advantages of investing in this fund. However, there are some cons as well. Like number one, during sharp market rallies, growth or momentum driven funds often outperform. So valuation driven strategy may lag in such phases. And number two, the fund typically holds a limited number of stocks. So this increases dependence on the performance of select holdings. And number three, the strategy focuses on long-term compounding rather than quick gains. Investors expecting fast returns may feel disappointed. And number four, periods of underperformance can last longer compared to trend-following funds. So staying invested requires conviction in the process, not short-term results. The final takeaway is: investing in the Parag Parikh large cap fund worth it or not? So is this fund built for excitement? Probably not. But is it designed for discipline, patience, and downside awareness? Very much so. And does this style suits every investor? Only those who are comfortable being out of favor at times. So at the end of the day, this fund is simply a style-based large cap strategy, not a guaranteed outperformer. The real question is, does a valuation-driven, patient approach align with your temperament and long-term goals? So our personal recommendation is that if you are an investor who's just starting to invest, or even if you're a seasoned investor, you can choose to invest in existing mutual funds that have a track record of minimum of 7 to 10 years, where you would be able to take a calculated risk by analyzing how the fund have performed in highs and lows. But here, as an NFO without proper portfolio, track record and research, the investment is risky. It will be like taking a blind risk. So it's definitely not suitable if you're looking for funds to add to your core portfolio, because if it underperforms, it can impact the other holdings in your core portfolio as well. So this is meant to be a supplementary holding. Suppose like you have secured your core portfolio and you have some surplus money, and you can invest it through a satellite portfolio with a minimum investment amount on a trial basis. And over the years, if it is performing well, and then you can invest and increase the amount accordingly. So as an investor, you should consult with a certified financial planner as well if you need professional guidance, because they will look into the suitability of investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, allocation, and see whether this will fit in with your portfolio, your goals, your risk tolerance and temperament. So definitely they will strategically guide you towards better outcomes in the long run. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.